Hey, what's up everybody? It's DaCrimsonGhost here. So I just got done seeing the new Sonic movie, Sonic 3, and I just wanted to give my initial reaction. And this will be a spoiler review, so if you don't want the movie spoiled and you haven't seen it, go and watch the movie and then come back to this video. So let's get into this. Honestly, I think the movie was pretty great. It did a great job sticking to the source material of Sonic Adventures 2 while also weaving in the current universe and all the characters together. It was a lot of fun. It was a really great movie. Sonic Adventures 2 has always been one of my favorite games to play growing up, so it was great to be able to see this come to life. I think Shadow was spot on. Keanu Reeves did a great job playing his really calm, stoic personality while also showing the tenacious, vengeful side of himself. It was really good. I loved Jim Carrey playing both Dr. Robotnik, the current one, and his grandfather. That was just hilarious. I mean, Jim Carrey is Jim Carrey. He's campy, he's fun. You already know what you're gonna get into when you have him inside of a movie. Just great. And then I also love the nanobot fight scene where they had the giant nano hand, and then the grandson, Dr. Robotnik, had the praying mantis. It was great. It felt like I was watching the cartoon. It was amazing. James Marsden did a great job as Tom, as he has done in the last few movies. All of the characters, even the side characters, everybody really got a time to shine. I do wish that Shadow was in the movie a little bit more, but the way they portrayed his character and just the graphics, everything it was good. So I can't really ask for that much. That's just like a little bit of a nitpick. And the final boss fight at the end when they both get Chaos Control, that was just great. That was amazing. And for whoever wants to make the next Dragon Ball Z movie, take notes. That looked amazing. It just reminded me of like Goku and Vegeta just duking it out, and then eventually teaming together against a common enemy. And it basically is what happened in the actual video game. So if anyone's interested, that's the main game that I would even recommend you. But I also would recommend this movie. It was pretty great compared to all the old ones too. I honestly think this one was my favorite one. I love, and don't get me wrong, I love the first one and I love the second one. But I think this third one just really put it over the top. So that's it for me, guys. Go and see it in theaters. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.